The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright.
See the record.
Yeah.
Put it back on that.
I'm so disgruntled.
You got video?
Yeah man, it's a video. Definitely.
Get the whole thing?
Yeah man, I get everything. So if I get my
Sorry no, but take out the make you see what that. When I just see the words, alright. That no, the plate. See the license plate. This are the serial number for the bus, right?
yeah, that's how we know who have the bus. We show who drive it.
And officer not in service. With this no have nothing to do with it.
No. This is the route, like when they're on route, we show it. So my question, who was driving the bus at the time?
This man I saw sitting around the stairs.
But I'm not say your work since night, I'm not say a sign. So you end up on this.
So that's where them carry in from where?
Listen for the bus since night, and actually I know they picked up.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. So the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see, according to what had been said about that video on social media, it is said that gas was being stolen from a Jamaica Urban Transit Company bus. Some persons might just say JUTC for short. You understand? Yeah, on social media it is said that the fuel from the bus was being stolen, you see? Alright, so according to some things that had been said in this video and according to some things that had been said on social media about this video, you see me? It is said that at least one person who is said to be an employee of the JUTC company was accused of being involved in the incident. You see me? Now this whole thing is somewhat sketchy, viewers and subscribers. You see me? I do not have any confirmed information as to how many persons were actually involved, if there's more than one persons involved, you see me, or had been accused of being involved. You understand me? So I'm telling you, this whole thing is somewhat sketchy. So I'm just, telling you what had been said on social media about the video and so on. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and this video that I am about to present to you, this video is being talked about on social media. You see me? Now this video shows inside of a prison that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. And according to what had been said on social media about this video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video as well, it is said that this video shows inmates drinking and smoking. It is said that they were somewhat celebrating. You see me? Alright, so as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Rolling murder. Rolling bumper. You really are. Hey, killers and killers, y'all.
Shillings. Yeah. I'm still rolling murder.
No man, let's show them see buckle. We see
Rolling murder. Red pass.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, that video is out on social media where many comments have been made on social media about that video. You understand me? So you can let me know what you think about that video as well. You understand me? And I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers. Just a quick update to let you know what's going on social media and so on. Alright? Now the next video that I'm about to present to you, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video, you see me? It is said that this video shows somewhat of a confrontation between a person and other persons, you see me? It is said that the person who is talking in the background of the video believed that persons shown in the video was only given food to some people within the Bahamas, and some people within the Bahamas was not getting these foods. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said about this video on social media, I get the understanding that foods was being distributed within Bahamas to persons who are in need. You understand me? I look at the video properly and I saw a bag with a image, or you could say a logo on the bag. You understand? And I'm going to show you a picture right here, viewers and subscribers. This is a screen grab. Some person might call it a screenshot, you see me? And if you look at the bag, you see an image. It's not fully all the image, but just a piece of the image. And this image have me wondering if Jamaica is somewhat involved in what's going on with the whole thing, where it is said that food was being distributed within the Bahamas. You understand? I'm not saying that Jamaica is involved in it. It's not like I know everything, you see me? But I'm just pointing this out by showing you this screenshot or screen grab here. You see what I said? So you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know if Jamaica is involved with the thing where it is said that food was being distributed to persons in need within the Bahamas. You understand me? I'm just saying. I'm not saying that Jamaica is involved. I'm asking. You understand? I don't want anyone to be misled. You understand? Alright, now anyways, I'm going to present this video to you, viewers and subscribers, and so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Hey, let me get y'all on the video again. See all these people here? I brought them from 601 looking for food. See all the food in here? See all the food? But the woman said that Dr. Menace only given to people who he want to give. He's not giving food to everyone. All of these people got turned around this morning. See the food there? The food for the white people, it ain't for the black people, see? See it right there, ladies and gentlemen? See it? See it? See all the food? You see all these poor black people out here can't get nothing. See it, Dr. Menace? And they all voted FNM. They voted for a better change. Yeah, you could take two. They're here giving me the finger, ladies and gentlemen. Just give me the finger. You see it in the video, right? That's what the Bahamas government is doing to the people. He's telling the Bahamian people, fuck you. That's what the young man just told me. He gave me his finger. I hope y'all see it. You can see it live on Facebook. So as a Bahamian, there's free speech. What? Yeah, stop it. See it, they're closing it. Look, ladies and gentlemen. Look, see, this is how they treat Bahamians. Look. They're slamming the door in your face. Look. Look. Slamming the door in your face. Slamming the door in your face. Look. Look. Watch. Watch the this performance, ladies and gentlemen. Watch this. Watch this performance. Watch it. Look. Look. Such a fucking doodle.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You see me? I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the Bahamas. You understand me? Yeah, big up and respect. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. On the big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.